Okay. And looks like I'm streaming. Noise, noise. So, what are we doing right now? Well, still working on a visualization. And still trying to set up this camera just right. Pointing downwards, and that's not what I want it to do. So I've been working on this turtle visualization for most of the day. I was gonna go on a hike, and then I made too much progress, so now I'm like, I gotta finish it off. I gotta finish off this idea that I have. So, sorry, this tripod, I'm trying to, I have a new camera set up, using my DSLR for these streams, and I am struggling to figure out exactly how and where, and there we go, and in what ways I want to set up the camera. Cool. I actually want to have the camera on the other side, but then the problem is it's just too far away, and it just is a little odd. So, what I got going on here, you know what I'm going to do? Now that it's on this side, I'm actually going to flip it. So now, what I have going on here, because that makes more sense. All right. So, let's put this over here. Oh, Kyle! Okay, sorry, I just... Oh, haha, you guys can see my emails. I don't want you to see my emails. Okay, let's go into R real quick. And then, oh, let me figure out where the chat went. Oh, it's right in front of me. We'll actually keep the chat on the screen like this for now. Okay. So I was messing around with some visualizations in R. So this is for the world's turtles. And what I'm wanting to do is I have these regions, right? And the problem is I need to kind of better understand what's going on in each region. I need to better understand what species are present. I need to have a much clearer idea as to what the phylogenetic information looks like. There's kind of a lot that I just need to know for each region. And unfortunately, the visualization tool that I wanted to use is just proving to be too complicated for my purposes. So I'm going to make an R Shiny app. Now, a Shiny app is basically an interactive application for R that is using stuff that is in R. And I've made these before, so I have them up on my website, actually. Something I do want to get. The problem is when I look at my screen, like I look at how I look on the screen. Here, how about, what do I look like if it's here? Yeah, okay, so this isn't so bad. It's a little bit like not making eye contact, but that's not the point. Okay, whatever, it's fine. So if I go to my blog, yeah, I do need to keep chat over here. Boom. But it's right in the view. So yeah, on the first biodiversity in your city, I have an R Shiny application that is right here. And what it is basically a way to make an app that allows users to interact with the data in some way. This one is very simple. It just lets you filter by users, display the data, filter by specific taxa, so I can see Andrew Hoffman found a ton of arachnids, and display a table. What I'm wanting is I'm wanting to create a visualization using R Shiny that lets me hover over a phylo region. Like, let's say that this is what it looks like. I can hover over, let's say, number 9, right? And when I select it, it will display information about region 9. That's all I'm wanting it to do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create it in steps. We're going to do it in very simple steps. So, first off, I'm going to save this as my, Phylo region viz script. It's not great. I'm just going to get my coffee. And basically, I plan on sitting on this stream until it is done, because I am ready for this. Now, file. Okay, Shiny web app. Okay, so we're going to do Phylo region visualizer. Okay, single file. Let's keep it. Okay, now I'm not the greatest with Shiny. We're going to be learning some today, okay? So So like here's some examples of Shiny apps, right? You define the UI, you define the server. Okay, we'll just make it a single file. Let's make this easy. Create. So basically what we're going to have to create is the data that is going to be inputted into here and the layout and everything else. So let's actually try to run this in a completely cleared environment. I know that might have just set me back because I don't know what was in here, but this has been way too confusing and it's messing me up and I'm tired of it. Okay. So I'm also going to just push everything over. App will be first, Viz script will be second, because this is what we're going to work off of. Okay. So let's check what my data looks like. I want to see... Let's figure out this real quick. Okay, wait. R check what data sets are in a .data file. No, okay, no, not a thing. Okay, that's fine. So you see this? If I run this UI server Shiny app, could not find function Shiny app. What? Library. Okay. Library HTML tool. Oh. Okay, I have some old packages, is what it looks like. You know what? We'll restart R. Let's do it. YOLO. YOLO. This is something that I'm trying to be better about, and that's creating my R scripts in such a way that I do not have just a never-ending environment of bullshit. It needs to be way more focused. Because I will also make much better code. So. While that is going again, I am going to turn on some music because I want to get fucked up tonight while doing this because this is what I do. Let's go Dorian Electra. Let's get some Dorian Electra going. Let's go Flamboyant. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now if we run this Shiny app, boom. Very simple. What we see is we have a UI interface, so a user interface, and then the output. So that's what this is all saying here. So if we look at this information on the side, we see we're defining the UI here. We have a fluid page, we have a title panel. That's what this is. We have a sidebar. So the sidebar panel, that's where this is. It's a slider with a number of bins. Then we have a main panel, which just is going to plot the output dist plot. Now notice this is a string. That's because the data hasn't been created yet. We will create the data within server. So we have an output dist plot, and then we're going to render the plot. This is where it's actually figuring out how to render the plot, right? So it's taking at X, where faithful is 2. So faithful is... It's a data. It's just data. Okay. It's probably the amount of times old faithful went up, but then bins are how we're binning it. So that's where we're creating this here. So, yeah. But then, yeah, it puts it in here. So this is the data histogram of X, where the breaks are to the bins, and then you color it all. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to make it here. Now, what we need to make sure is we load in a couple packages. So library Shiny. We're also going to load in library Tidyverse. and then library SF. Oh, and GG tree. GG tree. And then let's just load in ape and phi tools as well. Let's just start with ape. Let's just start with ape. Okay. Okay. So we need to first figure out what data I need to get into here. So I'm going to load in some data. In fact, let's open up this file, Canopy, classify, because I think that might have the data I need. It does not. That is fine. Visualizations probably has what we need. So we're first gonna load in this data and see if this is all that we need or if we'll need more. If we need more, then we'll make a custom package, a custom data set that is just for these visualizations. Yeah. Why are these, oh, I need to close the Shiny app. I was like, why are these packages taking so long to load? Okay, let's load this in. Okay. So here we have the Hydrophilo. We have Hydrophilo in the clusters. That's good. We do have the High-Bass Simp. We do have threat levels, which is great. And we have the edge out. Okay. I think I just need to add the phylogeny to this, so I can just do it. Okay, sir, Mr. You. Also, I'm changing. Okay, hold on. So let's get this into here. So first we're going to get the data. I think data does need to go somewhere else, but for now we're just going to work on this. So boom, boom, boom. And then we're going to just label this tree. Make this much easier. So then now I'm going to remove philo raw. Done here. Okay. Okay, so then probably what's going to happen is all of this data will add in. Okay, so let me look this up. So Shiny app, where to put data. Because I always forget this. This is the part I always forget. Okay. Wow, that does not help out at all. Okay, create a new folder named data and move RDS. Okay. So Shiny can take what data? Save RDS. Okay, so then what we're going to do is save RDS, write a single R object to a file. Career boy, working all the time. Okay, so one thing on your mind. There's coffee. Tell me now the veins. Do my veins, yeah. Here we go. So where do I put it? So I think I put it in here. Okay. So new folder data. Uh-huh. Philo region. Data, and then let's see, baby. Wait, can Shiny take a .r data file? Because that would make things so much easier. It should. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay. This looks interesting. So it looks like I can just load this. So this is not within the UI anywhere. Okay, load to environment, function R data. So then where they make the function, career boy, that they want all the time. So I think this is just load to environment. Okay. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't do this. Okay. Daddy lie, daddy lie, daddy lie, I wanna get you to want me to love you. I wanna love you all the time. LOL. Gotta step up my game. Sonya got this one. Gotta step up my game. She's so fucking stupid. So what I just want to know what data I can use in a Shiny app. What data can I use in a Shiny app? It's up, Sonya. Okay, there we go. This one's using Mario Kart data. This is good. This is good. Yeah. Daddy lie. I'm just like very confused because I want to figure out what exact data I can use. Okay. So what data? I want to just know if I can just use load. Let's just go with load and just assume it's good instead of trying to save each individual thing. Okay, we're gonna assume this is fine. Okay, we're gonna remove load to environment and just run with it. Okay. So what we first need to do is plot the data. So, okay, so we're going to do Phyla region data visualizer. Easy, change the title. So now we're going to have a slider. Okay, let's open up the Shiny app documentation. Shiny documentation. Okay, RStudio Shiny. Let's go to reference material. That is not at all what I wanted. Okay, so let's just go to inputs and outputs. What is... I'm not going to watch a video. Okay. R Shiny UI cheat sheet. There we go. Okay, we need all of the inputs, dates, numeric. Okay, so we're going to do a select input. Okay. Select input. Input ID, label, choices. Okay. So input ID, label, choices. Region, label, which philo region, and then the values are going to be this needs to be a text, so then this is going to be loading in the data, so this will be let's do this in unique hydrophilo cluster. Unique hydrophilo cluster. Okay. Now, let's just keep this referred to as bin for just a second. It might not work. Yeah, okay. What? You can't load tidyverse? You need to load tidyverse. Come on. Yes. How do I not have fucking tidyverse? That's ridiculous. Restart everything. I know it ain't straight, but I'm a playing straight to you. Look you in the face. Every time I talk to you. I love this song. I love Dorian Electra. Not convolute. What I mean? Error. Arlang! Why are you doing this? Oh my god. Man to man. Okay, I think I need to load tidyverse before Shiny, maybe? Or maybe load Shiny at the end. It's loading in a very old edition of Arlang. And I know I can use tidyverse with Shiny. This is fucking ridiculous. And it's already 3:30. Time it is to start planning the rest of my night. I literally am going to sit here until this is done. Unless I just need to focus, but I don't think I'm going to have any doubts on focusing right now. Okay. Once we actually get some visualizations, like just the barest minutia of visualizations. Okay. Bruh. No, don't restart R, because you a little bitch. I don't know why. I watched it. Warning. Okay. What the fuck? Come on. See, this is the shit that drives me crazy. Where it's just like basic bullshit. Okay, I'm gonna ignore that. I've been doing this. Arlang is already loaded, but greater than... Okay, well then fucking install Arlang, bro. Yes. This is driving me crazy. I've been dealing with some variation of this. I just updated a bunch of packages, and it's kind of driving me crazy. Okay, just gotta wait for it to restart. But no. I don't have RTools installed. Are you kidding me? What? What's up?
Are you streaming?
Yeah.
I finally found the freaking thing of what gets covered and what doesn't. Like, 1,000 years later.
Oh, nice. Where?
On the website. It was on the intranet, but it took forever.
On the what?
Intranet thingy, like the shared point.
It was there?
Yes.
That's where I was looking, though.
I found it. It took a lot of effort.
I mean, that whole side of the university is such bullshit. Like, it's impossible to find shit.
Anyways, I'm hungry. I'm really, really hungry.
Huh?
I'm, like, extremely hungry.
Oh, I've been, like, snacking, so.
I have not. I don't have really anything to snack on, so I'm like...
Yeah, I mean, I'm out of cookies now.
I see him right there.
Oh my god, I got another package. You shouldn't have told me that. You shouldn't have told me I have another package of cookies.
Maybe they're mine.
No, I'm kind of cookied out.
Good.
What do you want to do for food then?
I don't know. I want something quick.
Yeah, I mean, I don't have anything right now.
I have lentils. I guess I could throw it into an Instant Pot. It takes like 20 minutes.
Just lentils?
And like other veggies. Like I make a lentil soup.
Oh, I mean, that sounds good. I like just now got started on this again. I mean, if you're wanting to make that, I know, because it's like kind of early for dinner.
Yeah, I don't care. I need to eat.
Okay. Okay. So, how is RTools not available? Okay. Hold on. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna restart our real quick just to see if that's gonna fix anything. Fuck it, yeah. Because I don't know what the fuck's going on, and like this is not what I wanted to spend my time on. Like basic shit. Okay. This is always like the frustrating part when you know it's not like anything you're really doing. It's just things being weird. Flamboyant. Go all the way. Okay. Okay, fine. I'm gonna update our studio. I guess that's what we're doing today. I did ignore this. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is what okay, we're just gonna do what I normally do whenever things are not working out. We're just gonna play guitar while things are downloading. Because this is the best way that I know how to kill time. What the? Oh, okay. Okay, come on, RStudio. Come on, RStudio. Okay, whatever. Scuffed, but whatever. Okay. Ooh. This is such a different setup. I got my headphones on. I'm about to die. Okay. Okay. Ugh. Okay. Okay. Will it work now? Please? 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 I hate everything. I hate everyone. Ooh! Okay. Is it deload? Unload. Oh my god. Okay. R. Detach, right? Okay. Detach rlang. God damn it. I'm so mad, I'm so mad, I'm so mad, I'm so mad. Ah, unload equals true. There we go, there we go, there we go. Right. Maybe it's a double. What? Oh, package singular with... I hate everything and everyone. I hate everything and everyone. I hate everything and everyone. Oh, I'm done. This is not what I want to be spending my time on. I just want to... Error in detach. Invalid name argument. Oh, right. I can just download it from here, can't I? Rlang. Yeah, why is it... I don't think I've ever used this. How is it mine that old? No. Ah! So frustrating. It's just like refusing to update. Okay, let's do it. Fuck it. Okay. Installed up packages rlang. Error step up my game. Come on. Okay. Packages. Do we have our leg? Okay, it's not there. Huh? Huh? Oh, I think that fixed it. Come on, please. Okay. Please. Okay. No more errors. No errors, no whammy, no whammy. Okay, we're good. Okay, we're good. We're good here. Okay. Sir, we have the package. Okay, good. Now we can actually work on this. 20 minutes later. Okay. So, I wanted to test that this Shiny app would just work. Now, there is a possible error here. That would be here. Oh, yeah. Okay, we're gonna take out this argument. I think that'll help. But it is freezing, so... No, I don't want to terminate R. Ah! Okay, that's fine. Set current theme. What? Oh, okay, breaks equals... I'm not really trying to test anything else than that. Wait. Oh, I'm doing the wrong thing. Oh, shit. Oh, that's why it's taking so long. Okay, yeah, that's false. That's not what I'm trying to do here. Huh. Okay. Oh, yeah, it's trying to run unique. Okay, well, it is grabbing the correct thing. Okay, so let's actually do the right one. I meant for... I did the wrong function. So basically, it's trying to find unique polygons with sets, which is like a very computationally intensive thing, instead of the unique values between 1 and 61. Also, why is this cluster wrong? Doesn't matter right now. Come on. R, come on. What are you doing? Again? This is when we play guitar. This is why I got good at guitar, because so much stuff kept breaking and long things. Okay, that actually looks like it's done. Boom. That's what it was meant to do. So maybe this will be a lot less. There we go. Yeah, a lot less computational intensive. Okay, cool. We got the file regions. Okay, so it is pulling it, which is fine for my purposes. So it's pulling this data. It's asking me which file or region do I want to look at. And then what I'm going to do is, okay, first we're going to have a panel that is going to be plot output, and it's going to be region plot, okay? So then over here, region plot is going to render a plot that is... Okay, so we're taking which file or region. We're going to plot hydro philo cluster. And then, no, yes, we're going to plot hydro philo cluster. And then color. So, okay. Plot SF object colors. I'm trying to figure out the coloring bits better. Let's just do a ggplot. Ggplot fill by ID. Ooh, by ID. How to color a graph by multiple variables. Yada 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 yada. ID a b b b b b as date. Color is equal to ID. Ah, I see. Okay. Fill a specific SF object ggplot. Different calls. So, okay, I know what to do. I know what to do here. Okay, so we're gonna do ggplot of hydrophilo cluster, and then what we're gonna do, so we're just gonna get the ggplot. We're just gonna get the ggplot, right? And then what we're going to do is no, just ggplot. That's right. I am remembering how to do this. So then we're going to do geom sf. Yes. Here we go. So then, okay, so data is equal to hydro philo cluster, and then we're only going to get the cluster. And okay, wait, let's just start it with here, because that should just plot. Just this should plot. No problem. Hoping it has no color, actually. Because basically what we're going to do is we're going to plot one that's all of the regions, and then we're going to plot another one that is geom_sf, where data is equal to hydro philo cluster, in which hydro philo cluster is equal to no, I think input bin. Yeah. Okay, but for now, we're just going to do it as equals to 25, where AES fill is equal to green. Location 24 doesn't exist. Forgot to make it. So the cool thing is, if I just plot this right now into a shiny app, now this is not going for some reason. Even though I did do both, right? Oh yeah, what was that? How was that going? Why is this taking so long? Why is this taking so long? Oh, I didn't close the other shiny app. God damn it. Why am I so dumb? Nope. Okay, but now if I make this bin, then it's either bin or I need to make it input bin. Again, close the app. Close it, Dylan. Here. Come on, what is this thing doing? I'm gonna have to terminate it because this is being weird. No idea why I was stuck on there. Like, see, there's no reason for it to be stuck like that. So now, okay, yeah, so it does need to be, I think, input. Then. I think that's how this works. Oh no, lowercase. So right now it's selected Phyla Region 1. Okay, so this is working. This is exactly what I wanted to see. What's up?
Just getting garlic.
Okay, you had a face when you came in. It was pretty. Haha! Got him.
I'm rage cooking.
Oh, okay, that makes more sense.
Yeah.
Why rage?
You know why.
I mean, it's gonna come out good. And actually, I don't know why. There's lots of reasons to be mad
That's true.
at me.
Not
What?
you.
What? At me? You're mad at me? Babe, look. Babe, look. You can see the start of what I'm doing. So you can select the file or region and it plots just that. I need to update it to make it faster. But yeah. But then it'll start showing information like what phylogeny is the present, or I'll be able to actually zoom in on the map and showcase it a little bit better. And I'll probably add like a leaflet underneath it, so that it'll display it with like geography below it. I realize this is what I've been needing. This is the final piece for me to actually understand what the fuck is going on. And so it'll show, what I'm planning on is show the phylogeny. And like, I want to see if there's a way I can make a phylogeny viewer in R, if there is one. I think there is one, like an interactive phylogeny viewer. Like I'd steal someone's code, but for right now I'm just going to show it like subsetted, so just the species that are there and their relationships and shit. And then summary statistics. Don't hit me. I'll see you in court.
Good.
See who will believe me. Let me start drinking.
Yeah.
I'm just going to make me an old fashioned real quick.
Yeah.
You just make it that lentil soup? I don't know if it'll work, but I have ramen noodles.
No, it's gonna be too much.
Yeah, I didn't know if that would actually fit with it well.
Yeah.
Those get a weird flavor. Like maybe
Yeah.
just Asian-y somehow. Yeah, but I always have. Yeah, I have this big pack of ramen noodles, so.
Just the noodle ones, right? Not. Okay. Me too.
Yeah. Oh, but
I have the good stuff.
I can.
Make a side.
Hold on. Wait. Just let me talk. I can make
I've been
a.
talking for too long.
Okay, fine. I'm not gonna make food.
What?
No, too late. Toodles. Okay, let's get this going. What? Okay. Sorry, I'm just making me a drink. Okay. Ice. Orange bitters. What the fuck was that? Then where is my simple syrup? ¿De dónde? Aha. Very simple and nice, old-fashioned. Lately, I go to sleep pretty early, so usually I just start my days, my evening at around 4 at this point. I think that I'm just going to finish off the whiskey. That Sazerac did not last. Whew. Okay. Okay. Okay, okay.
You should make a cold noodle salad.
I can, but I don't have everything I need to make mine. We need to go to 99 Ranch.
Yeah.
Can you shut my door? Okay. So we have this. There's a lot that we can do to actually make this way better. In fact, we should maybe make our data better. Because HydroSimp will plot a lot faster. Can I just do that? Can I just merge merge HydroSimp with HydroPhilo by is equal to HiBas ID. That's actually the by dot x, and then by dot y is equal to grids. Shit, I should have assigned that to something, and also I need to close down this. Okay, of course that works, so... Okay, so we're just going to call this BF. Actually, we should call this SF, sorry. Okay. Because this is the SF that's coming into here. So, plot is equal to SF. Wait just a minute. Okay, that's actually fine. Because SF is just easier to type, which... That should work. Cool. Should work. Might be some issues, we'll find out in a second. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's check this out really quick, figure out what's going on, figure out if there's any issues. SF should be plotting. Should be. Keyword. My music has stopped. Okay, come on. Is this what I want to get into? No, I want to get into like de-Antword during Electra funky weird shit. Baby's on fire. Okay, let's just do a ggplot with geomsf. I don't know why this is being so weird. I saw it plot for a second. But I don't understand what the hell is going on here. Like this is taking a very long time to plot. And I don't know why. This should not be taking this long. Oh god, it's because it's yeah, duh. Whole fucking reason we don't do this. Okay, sorry, that was just dumb. Okay, never mind. So SF is going to be HydroPhilo. I'm just dumb. Of course, this is going to take too much longer. Okay, SF is just going to be that. Okay, and then okay, just waiting on shit to go again. This is always the thing, right? Come on. Come on. Boom. What is going on? Come on, R. Okay, let's just close some windows. Make this. Mama, watch out! I don't want to go to bed. Like, I give the fuck. Kiss to me like danger, there's a mystery. Like more bling than mystery. There we go. Fucking finally. Jesus Christ. What was taking this so... Now you just don't want to work. Oh, okay. No, it's because I'm dumb. Okay. So we got this. It fills up according to input region. Okay. Okay, so let's figure this out. Okay. Okay, so I think what I need to do... So do they still have sidebars? No, they have fluid rows. So this one makes a UI, a fluid page. Within there we got title panel. We have the plot output, which is displayed as this plot output. Plot output plot. So this was just saying it's plot output in the plot. HR, no idea. Diamonds Explorer. Okay, so this makes this. So what we're gonna do is main panel here. We're gonna remove. I think we're gonna. No, we're gonna keep this. We're gonna do fluid row. Cool. Okay, fluid row, and they're gonna make a column. This will say the width of the column. So I'm gonna make this column width 4, just to start off with. 4. And it's then this is when we add in all the input things. Okay. Okay. So our shiny output panel. So this is where we need to start doing. Okay, so now we need to just make a okay, I see. So we're just gonna make a fluid row, and then this is where we're going to do a. Let's do it as a text output. So then, how do we do that? So text output. Okay, I see. Okay, now I get it. Summary stats, and then, because we would have it there, we would then, okay, And then we'd have a text output. I think we would also have a plot output. We would have the phylogeny. We'll just have tree. We'll call it tree sub. Summary. Okay, so we'll have that. We'll have the tree output. We'll have the summary. Let's just start with those two. Okay. So, can I... argument must be null. Okay. And, wish they showed more examples. Okay, so it's not there. It's within its own thing. It's within a fluid row. Fluid row. It's in a column. Do. With your changing. Okay, I think this should just be a column of 10, where this is then we'll put plot output region plot. Okay. Africa, okay, smack in the face. Oh. Cleans. Arg must be a null or character vector. I'm just very confused by this. This is one column in the fluid row. Oh. Aha. Okay. So then, why don't we, okay, so then here we have output, let's do the summary. Summary is going to be render text, testing here, and then we also have output, tree sub, which is going to be a, oh, sorry. What? Where you at? Here I am. So he's like a latest like bam, bam, bam. Render plot. Also, boom. Okay, look at this. Render plot. So now we will just render that plot. All right. Okay, so we'll render the plot. ggplot, and it's just going to be plot. We're just going to do this phylora. Do I not have phylora? Oh no, it's just tree. Plot tree. We'll just start there. We'll just start there. Cool. Now this might look really ugly, so. Okay, well what I really wanted is I wanted them to be in their own, I wanted this to be in its own column. I wanted this to be up above. So, okay, so then let's make the UI, let's not have it here, let's not have a sidebar layout, let's have its own, let's make it its own fluid row. Then boom. Which should be up here. Then will that work? I don't think so. Oh, close. Will that just work? Okay. But this is in its own column. So let's just make it 5. Maybe that's all that's messing with it. I always forget to close it. Okay, cool. Okay, so now we're getting that. We're going good. Yikes. People are whack. Fuck 'em. You know what? Bullshit, anti-vax, feral cat loving, home racist ass opinion. Literally always has some bullshit, anti-vax, feral cat loving, homophobic, racist ass opinion. Bruh. Do you know? Racist ass opinion. Literally always has some bullshit anti-vax feral cat love. So many raggedy comments. You know what? This literally always has some bullshit anti-vax, anti-science, homophobe. Always has some bullshit, etc., 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 etc. ass opinion. People comment such stupid ass shit. But hey, in otherwise not shitty people news, we're getting it going, y'all. It's happening up in the YouTubes. We're making visualizations. Join in. But hey, in otherwise not shitty people news, we're getting it going, y'all. It's happening up in the YouTubes. We're making visualizations. Join in. But hey, and otherwise not. But hey, and otherwise, the people news. We're getting it going, y'all. It's happening up in the YouTubes. He's just so fucking annoyed. Boring opinion. Boring opinion. Boring opinion. I want to be the anti-influencer influencer. That's what I want to be. Oh yeah, sorry for the stream. Someone just commented about rock stacking because someone mentioned that they always see ones with Bible verses on them. Or I mentioned that I've been painting rocks. I mentioned I've seen a lot with Bible verses on it, and it's just like bullshit. And then they're like, I haven't seen any Bible verse ones, but I've seen a lot of gay pride and BLM ones. I just throw them straight in the trash. Like, bro, no one asked for yo raggedy ass opinion. I just blocked him. Fuck him. Okay. So the next part of this visualization is now subsetting the phylogeny by what was in here. So, boom. So now I just need to do that in here. Okay, and then visualization. Let's grab everything I need. Yep. So we'll just keep this very simple at the moment. Then this will be input region, grab the first one, tree, keep only those in there, and then we'll call this tree. Boom. That should work. I don't think I fucked anything up. We'll see. Oh, I still have it playing. That's so dumb. Okay. Okay, it still says clusters somewhere. Ah, okay. So then so this was coming from clusters? Okay, in clusters. Ah, okay. So, boom. Boom, boom. Although I don't think I would want to run this every time, but for now we'll keep it here. Okay, boom. Oh, actually, this would be something that we would do on load. So we'll put that up in here. It's got some entire raggedy ass up in. Okay, and then close it down again. And then run it again. Okay, something might not be working though. Just checking. Okay, so we have an error in clusters. So clusters lapply unique edge df. I don't think I even have edge df. I do not. Okay, we'll just do it hydrophilo cluster. Make this easy. Hydrophilo cluster function cluster info presab df. Oh shit. Okay. Okay. So it's gonna take it, select if names are in edge filter. Right, so this is gonna need a presence absence matrix thing. Oh no. And I haven't loaded the data. Did I not save this shit? Okay. Did I just save it in a much better way? Hold on. Hydrophilo cluster. We do have edge out. Fucking A. Okay. So we're gonna take in the cluster info. Got some time raggedy. Okay. So we need to adapt this to work with what we got. So we're going to get the cluster info base that we're trying to get as the species that are within each cluster. For that, we do need this presence absence matrix. Cool. We got presab, we got edgedf. Do we got edgedf? So edgedf in which the cluster. So basically, this is just edge out. I can just use edge out. It's totally fine. Select. I just say this is edge out and be done with it. Oop. I think that'll work. Error. Still object clusters not found. Okay. Let's just see if there's an error in the clusters formula. Does not appear to be. Looks like it's working perfectly, because everything I make works perfectly, as we all know. Okay, so then here it's coming from clusters. Maybe this is the issue. No, because output is finding it data SF. Well, now let's see if it works. Maybe that's the issue, is that I didn't run it, so it didn't actually have anything to pull from. Yeah, see, now it's all different. So warning drops all tips of the phylogeny. Okay, so is there something wrong with phyllo raw? Tree, I mean. Nope, that's fine. So what's going on here? Input region. Oh, here we go. As dot numeric. Let's see if that's what it was. Because this is a character, not a numeric. No, that's not working still. Let's just double check that this still works properly. So let's just say we did it with 5, 5. So it still is dropping all the tips of the tree. Okay, what is A? A is empty. A should just be giving me the row names. Oh, they are in there. Okay. Okay, so they are being dots. Okay, that's something we should fix early on. So let's just make sure this is a G sub. Oops. We're gonna G sub in our. Is that coming from presab? It is coming from presab. Through presab. Okay, wait. Let's first double check names of presab. See, that's not it. So let's first go to call names. Cool. Now let's do row names. Cool. Row names of presab is equal to G sub presab. What we're going to do is we're going to sub out the period, and then we're going to sub in the this. Okay, cool. Did I fix it? Or did I fuck it up? Nah. Fucked it up. How bad did I fuck it up, though? Not at all. Okay. Okay, subs. Okay. R G sub period. it, because I forget you need to do something to, like, make it a literal. Oh, 2 backslashes. That's what it is. Oh, I'm dumb. That's why this is taking so long. Names of Prezap. Or, row names of Prezap. Oopsies. Cool. That should do it. Okay. Boom. Okay, so it's still fucking up. ¿Por qué? Go cry about it. Okay, let's see. So we're getting that. We're getting them clusters. Getting them clusters. Okay. I think this data is actually not being pulled into all of this. So that's my guess as to what's going on. Maybe some more whiskey will help. Haha, I am correct. Look at this. So now this should update when we choose a new file or region. It did not. Wait. Let's choose 29. No idea which file or region that is. Okay, this should update. It's not. Okay, it is rendering the plot. Oh, haha, that's why. So here, input region. Fuck off with this bullshit. Okay. It says it can't load something that literally doesn't exist. Like, okay. There we go. So really what I'm trying to do right now is just get the format down, right? Once we get the format down, this is still not working. Okay. So let's save this. Why is this? Okay. So this output is not updating. So I wanted to choose the ith list in clusters. Yeah, and then plot that. Okay. That's what I wanted to do, which is fine. But it's not updating. And there's no difference between these two. Plotting output tree sub. Maybe this is just not working. Okay, let's do something. So let's do as numeric. I think that'll work. So if I also might not have ran server now that I'm thinking about it. Oh, you know what? That's all it was. Yeah, okay, now it should be updating, right? Like, this will just show 6. Got him. Okay. This is sick. This is pretty cool. Okay, okay, we're getting there. Okay. Now we need to display some summary statistics. So that is where we'll do tree plot, tree sub for now. We'll ignore this output.
It's probably hot. I don't like that. I really don't like that. It's different kinds of lentils than usual. You're gonna say it's good.
It's really fucking good.
Yeah.
Babe, this shit slaps.
Okay, well it's ready.
Okay.
You don't think it needs anything?
No. It's
Okay.
good.
Okay.
Okay, proposal then.
I have a meeting in like 2 seconds.
What?
Yes, I have another meeting. What?
Oh, never mind that.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to make a text output. Okay. So making text output for our shiny. I'm trying to figure out like a good way of actually doing this. Making long text output. Okay. Right. And puts regular text in different span. Verbatim usually paired with random input. Okay. I'm just like trying to decide how I want to make this. Outputting multiple lines of text. Yada yada yada. And use HTML. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. It's just not pretty. Okay, we're gonna make this a HTML output. Yes, we're gonna make this an HTML output. So, HTML output, and then in here is going to be render UI. Okay. And then, instead of doing all this string 1, string 2 shit, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do HTML, right? Yep. And then we're going to go to paste. And then within here, we're going to make sure the separators are equal to break. So this is why I like the Arshiny app. So now, all I need to do is type out paste and then each element that I want to do. So for example, this is a test of sorts. And then paste 0. This topic is talking about phyla region. And then we're going to do a as numeric input region. So what this should do is create 2 separate lines, if I'm understanding this all properly. And I need to first close this one. Okay, go back to R. And then we're going to go into UI and then server. Okay, it looks like I fucked up somewhere. That's totally normal. Don't talk about it. Please don't talk about it. Oh God, you're talking about it. Okay, that's all good. And then now we no longer need that. Oh God, I did need something. What did I fuck up just now? Okay, output summary. We're gonna go there, output tree. Boom. I think that's all I needed. Yep. Cool beans. And now it should output us 2 lines right here. Yep. Talk about feather region 1. So easy. So now I can just do it at each level. So now now let's look into the render UI shiny. So I just want to know if I can do a HTML tagless shiny. They like don't ever fucking say anything. This is so dumb. Render UI HTML. Now I've already been here. Display vectors. Okay. So what I think I want to do then. So let's just see. What just happens if I do. So this is already in a paste. And then what if I just do something like B, and then B. Will this work, or do I need to paste it? Okay. Wait. Will that just work? The way I'm thinking? Oh, it does just work. Also, do I need to paste this? I don't think so, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. So if I do this, how will this work out? Fuck yeah, okay. So, now we're going to build it out. Okay. See you. Okay, so first off, let's close this. Now, this... Okay, so what summary statistics are we going to first do? So first off, let's do a... we'll make these H2s, and we'll say... we'll actually put the paste inside of there. So if I move... this one. So the reason we have to do another paste, though, inside of this, is because this paste, I want it to be a very different thing. So this paste is not separated by breaks, so new lines. This one is separated by nothing. So, for example, so because it's a heading, it'll display the heading. Oh, no. Okay, what's fucked up? Oh, there we go. Just an extra comma by accident. No big deal. My music just stopped. Oh god. Okay, so this will display it as a heading, which is fine, which is exactly what I want. Boom. Let's actually make this heading 4s, then. And then we can go heading 5. Okay, cool. That's fine. So make this heading 4. Cool. So we got that. So what I now want to do is add in a line break here, just because I can, and then say, what was I going to say? Actually, let's not do that. So within Hydrophilo cluster, okay, I do have richness, and this is also going to be in a paste 0, richness, and then this is going to be hydro philo cluster. We're going to filter this where the row is equal to where cluster. Actually, we're going to make this a which cluster hydrophilo cluster is equal to. I might just change hydrophilo cluster, by the way, because this is obviously taking a lot of space. Oh my god, my mouse is just driving me crazy. Equal to input region. as numeric input region. And then what I want is I want to get the row that is oh yeah, hydrophilo cluster. Want to get richness. Oh my god, this is so long. Run it each one by one. That way you can isolate any variables that are wrong. I do need to simplify this map though. That's what takes it so long every time. Okay. How is it? Wait, I'm confused. It seems to be working correctly here, but then there's a duplicate that is doing what I think is the geometry. Okay, what's going on here? Okay, you know what we need to do? We need to just do a plus df is equal to st drop geometry hydro phylocluster. Okay, and then now we're gonna have clust df come in clutch for these things. Okay. And I think that should fix that issue, because what we're doing is we're just removing the geometry and also making it just a very simple data frame, which is why it's also much faster, because it's not having to do too crazy much. So this is exactly what we want to see. So yeah. Oh, you know what I should do? I should make this separator actually boom. The brakes are nice though. Oh, you know what? No. I can just, because this is pace 0, what I can do is then add a break within the pace 0 to make it its own little block. Okay. And then, let's see, what other summary stats do we have inside of this new clust df? Mean edge, okay. Mean edge score. I mean, I am just filtering it again and again and again and again. Okay, what if I just did something like clust df, okay, wait. Okay, as numeric, we keep everything here, we get the region, we get df filt. Okay, and then here, okay, we just make it, just so I'm not having to write the same thing again and again and again and again. So why don't we just do this as, okay, I think I know what to do here. About to fuck up this code. Right. Not so bad. Just want to see what it looks like. Okay, cool. Perfect. Yeah, this will make things a lot easier. See, so this is just like little code practices of like, look, I'm gonna have to filter this thing multiple times. I'm gonna need to pull from it multiple times after it's filtered, right? So instead of doing it 3 times here, which would just make my code look hideous, I'm just gonna do it here, or do it once up there. This is like probably something that will help your code more than anything. So count edge species boom df filt, and then here it is just going to be boom boom count edge. Okay, let's just check all this, make sure it all looks good. Ooh. Do you need to wrap inside of React? Although, maybe it just needs to be within here. Maybe that's all it needs to be. So, let's try that first. Shit, there might have needed to be a comma there, though. Yeah. It's in a render UI. Where else would it go? What's going on here? What's going on here? Do I need to have something there? Do I really need that? I don't actually understand why. Yeah. Okay, so shiny filter dataset based on input. I just don't know where to put this little line of code. Like where would you? Because I don't want to do it. I literally don't know where to do this actually. Server function input output model data. They just put it right there, but that's where I thought. Oh no, here we go. Reactive. Okay, so this is reactive. Boom, boom, and then boom, boom, and then boom, and then boom, and then boom. That's it. Okay, wait, stop it. Then it's gonna run. Which phyllo region? Error in object of type. No, don't fucking terminate. Fuck off. Right, so. Okay, well, I did do this very weird. Hold on. Let's close that. Let all the R stuff just finish up. Stop whatever's running. No. It isn't a weird. I think I might have fucked it up. Here we have df filt. Maybe I do need to just add one to each of these. Okay, I get it. Okay, well, no, I do not, but save. Yeah, okay, we're just gonna restart R really quick. Oh, and my music. Where the fuck is my music? Hold on. It keeps going to this band, and I'm like, I just not feeling them, but they don't change it. God is an Astronaut is always so good, though. Okay, starting all over again. Okay. Oh, right. I had to load in. outputs as well. You know what, while we're doing this, why don't we make sure it's actually the good file region outputs, though? Because I have it where its K is optimal. Okay, so K 61, K opt 61. It'll just overwrite whatever. I'm not too worried about it. So that way you actually get the right data, the data I actually want to look at. Eventually these are all going to be pared down to get just the data I need. That'll then filter back into this. So that's I just don't know what I need at the moment. So it's better for me to spend a little bit of time loading absolutely everything. There we go. Cool. So we got the SF. We're going to change over the row names. We can create the cluster that I need. We do have a cluster data frame. Cool. We make the UI, we make the server, we run the Shiny app, see what happens. Okay. Now, it is still running old data though. That's interesting. Okay, caught a fly. God, I'm like Mr. Miyagi, bro. Okay. So I'm getting this closure is not subsettable. So let's see what it looks like here again. Reactive. Oh, interesting. Interesting. I don't know why they have to add this, but let's see if that made a difference. Dios mío. That's so stupid though, why? Okay, well let's add in the... Okay, so then here's when we're gonna add in the breaks. It's no big deal. Okay, boom, boom, and then boom, boom. Actually no need for it at the end. Okay. So now we can actually get a better idea of what we're looking at. No, don't terminate R. Stop this. You're being silly. It looks good. Okay, the mean edge score I can round. No, I don't need you to terminate R. You're being silly. Stop it. Okay. Time to keep playing some chess. Play some chess. I'll play one game really quick. But then I'm gonna go back to playing guitar because that's what I really want to do right now. Okay, so we're gonna go here. I don't know if I've actually ever mentioned it, but I do play a decent amount of chess. Let's see here. Boom. YOLO. Bro, what? Just a terrible move. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see. Boom, just keep the attack going. Oh, you a bitch. Fuck it. Cool, I won my timeout. Okay. Okay, R is fucked up, so I gotta restart again. Okay. Ah, yes. Okay. Sorry, y'all are just getting like an inside look into my ADHD life right now. Okay. This is really annoying. Oh, I did not need to load all that. Yes, I do, actually. Once we load it in, I'm going to save this so that it save my workspace image so that I don't have to load everything every single time, because this is really fucking annoying, actually. And if it keeps crashing, which Shiny is bound to do. Okay. Workspace Shiny. Gosh, everything just takes so fucking long, though. Okay, but this is what we need. The basics of what I need are here. Okay. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to improve this map a bunch. So I have some ideas. So first, let's see. So we're in the render plot. Now what I want to do is I want to look at this visualization that I have here, TM shape. So what we did was we took the thing, made a TM polygons, and then we put it over tmap leaflet. Okay, so this is what I'm wanting to do now. So we have it, I don't know where the fuck I am. Okay, so here, what I want to do is I want to, so I think what I would do is I would do this. So, and then boom. To tmap leaflet. Okay, I'm just going to comment out this. SF does have the word cluster. Okay, so let's just see what this looks like now. Let's just see if this works first try. If not, we'll figure it out. Could not find function tmap leaflet. Okay, that's fair. Because I did not load that package. So that is from tmap. Boom, add to the top. So now, we run it. Let's see here. Did it plot it down there? It did. It plotted it down here, but not in my shiny. Okay, so shiny app rendered plot in plot, not in app. God, that's a clusterfuck. Here is the correction you need. What is the correction? Okay, so wait. So let's do reactive ggplot shiny. Okay. So wait, maybe it's a leaflet in shiny. Maybe it's a leaflet issue. Okay, wait, let's isolate this. So is this a tmap issue or a leaflet issue? So what we're gonna do is we're going to eliminate all of this. Then, boom. Then oopsie, sorry, server, shiny app. Okay, so no, it's not a tmap issue. Okay, so then, okay, wait, so here we go. So then, you need to render a leaflet. Okay. So that's the thing. So then now we're going to do a plot leaflet. So then, where is it? Leaflet output. Oopsies. So then, and this is also the library leaflet then. Okay. I don't know if this will work first try. If it is, if it does, I'll actually be kind of amazed. Is it just loading, or is it... Okay, no. So then... Oh, it's probably because this output thing is wrong. Render leaflet, render leaflet. So this one, you start off with, I think... So then would I want to do it TM leaflet? I think that's ultimately what we're showing here, right? Okay, plus tmap leaflet. Oof, this is shaky for me. Nope, that's not it either. Wow, this is weird. Okay, so here we go. What did I use for that? So tmap, it just not plus. It needs to be a pipe. Cool. Are you done with your meetings? Proposal. Yes. It's getting more advanced by the second. Okay. I stop streaming.
Good.
I turn on Attack on Titan. We eat together while I kind of still work on this. This is what I said I was going to do yesterday, and I didn't do any of it. I literally said it and then just didn't immediately. And I'm getting actually pretty far with it, so yeah. Okay. Cool.
Yeah, I'm checking out for the damn freaking white